Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see how to return Starlink internet kit and how to fix in the same box. If you order the Starlink connection, so don't throw this box. 1 month ago, I ordered the Starlink connection and I'm receiving very bad internet service. That's why I just simply return this one. Simply wrap up everything. So now let's start. How to return Starlink kit? It's easy. So I put it here, all the stuff, the Starlink. This is the dish. I clean properly this dish, and then next thing here, what I am exactly receiving the stuff like original. So I make this properly. This is the adapter, power adapter. I packaging this one. During the unboxing, that time I put it the all stuff in one location only. That's why I'm not mess of anything. This is the LAN cable. This is the huge LAN cable, around 20 meter, more than that. So this is the proper, this is the Wi-Fi router I am receiving. Quality and product is really impressive. The product is not reaching my expectation. That's why I'm sell this subscription, because of I am receiving very much slow internet here in Copenhagen, Denmark. After that, this is the dish, the very heavy dish, almost around 10 plus kilogram. This is the proper structure, and I close this one. Now I just simply use the tape and fix properly. So this is the original box. Use tape. And if you cancel this subscription, so you receive such a post-node return code as well. You can just simply take a printout, means pack this printout properly in this box. If you don't return this one within a 30 days, so you need to pay something huge amount. They can send you email and you need to pay this one. And yeah, so this is the packing of Starlink internet connection. Using this process, you can very easily return Starlink internet. If you have any question related on Starlink, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.